Now we are following the very latest in a 38 Studios scandal. Lawyers for executives of the now defunct video game company and the Rhode Island Economic Development Corporation head back to court.
Both sides of the case briefed a Superior Court judge today on what needs to happen before any trial begins. And we've learned the state still hopes to collect all of the $90 million taxpayers could be forced to spend to cover the state's failed investment.
We have Eyewitness News team coverage tonight. Target 12 investigator Tim White has exclusive reaction from Rhode Island House Speaker Gordon Fox.
First, we go to Eyewitness News reporter Sean Daly live in Providence with more on today's hearing.
About a year and a half after Curt Schilling's failed video game company went bankrupt, lawyers for Rhode Island's Economic Development Agency are now here in court fighting to save the taxpayers millions of dollars. Mr. Schilling, is your company expected to survive? That was in the spring of 2012, and the answer to that question turned out to be no. Former Boston Red Sox ace Curt Schilling's video game company went bankrupt. He left baseball and started 38 Studios with seed money from Rhode Island's taxpayers who sold bonds to raise $75 million. Now, counting interest, the taxpayers owe the bondholders roughly $90 million. So lawyers for the state's Economic Development Agency brought a lawsuit against Curt Schilling and other executives in on the deal.
Supreme Court.
At a routine status conference in Providence Superior Court, Eyewitness News learned legal depositions are expected to begin soon. We also learned lawyers for the EDC are optimistic the taxpayers will be able to recover all of the $90 million they're still on the hook for.
We feel good about the way the case is going, and we feel reasonably confident that there's going to be a good result at the end of the day.
And that the Rhode Island taxpayers may get some or all of the money that's on the hook here back?
We're hoping all.
Whatever happens won't happen quickly. This lawsuit could play out through next year and beyond. Live at Superior Court with the Providence Mobile Newsroom, Sean Daly, Eyewitness News.